For COPA and product listing, we need PP model, SD model, MM model. So all should be configured. Then only you will get the values properly. Okay. So just to go through that, and to get the control over this subject, what you need to do is that you just need to by heart the configuration steps first. For example, if you take general ledger accounting, you should be able to know what all configuration steps are required, what master data is required, and what test data you are going to post. So this you have to be very clear. Similarly, for foreign currency valuation. So what is configuration steps? What are configuration steps? What is test data? Sorry, master data and configuration. Sorry, test data. So configuration is first, master data, and then testing. So configuration you have to by heart it. And whatever maximum is possible, by heart the transaction codes also, so that we don't need to go by path. Okay. So that is one thing. And any other questions you have to till now? Maybe generic or any other questions related to FICO?
I did not fully practice. I have some computer laptop issue. So
Okay.
probably I'll keep asking you when I fully started practicing. GL I have practiced, and after that my system has issue. So every day I'm repetitively following the videos, listening and re-listening, and I could grasp the subject. But practical, I have to practice it.
Okay. Fine. So today, okay. So whenever you have doubt, just reach me. Second, you're trying to say something.
Nothing, bro. I was trying to log in, like many times. I was trying to log in the afternoon time, but it was it's using by someone. So different user is using the application like that. Is getting that kind of error.
So select second option.
Okay.
So if you select first option, other session will be closed. So select second option so that both can work.
Okay. Okay. I'll try.
Okay. So one area I wanted to show it to you. Financial statement version. So financial statement version in SAP is nothing but the balance sheet, profit and loss account. There is a configuration for this. We'll try to see that financial statement version. Transaction code is for configuration OB53 to run balance sheet and P&L. Transaction code is F.01. Go to OB53. Data of account 1710. OB58. Sorry. OB58. Click on new entries. 1710. Financial statement version for Maruti. Maintain language English. Chart of account 1710. Save it. Click on financial statement items. So this is what our structure for creating financial statements. So this is assets, right? Double click on this. Just keep assets. Start of assets. End of assets. So this section is for assets. Second one. This is for liabilities plus equity. Start of liability and equity. End. Okay, so whatever you see description here, same thing I'm keeping left side. Okay, I'm entering the description. This is profit. Double click on it. Profit. Loss. This is P&L result. P&L result. This is not assigned amounts and this is some notes. Okay, leave it. So what we need is that you have given assets and liability and then loss or profit or P&L result. Okay. So what you can do, keep cursor here. Create items. Profit and loss account. So I kept cursor here and then went to create items. Under this profit and loss account, you assign the whatever you have created account groups, you can assign it here. OBD4. One 710. So whatever groups we have created, it is 1 series, first 2 series, 3 series, 4 series. So let us take fixed assets. This is the assets, right? Go to create items. Under fixed assets, what all you have? Under assets, you have fixed assets is 1. Cash and bank. What else? Let us say this is accounts receivable. Accounts receivables. Copy this. This is stock. This is other assets. So these are the subgroupings under assets. Okay, in balance sheet. Press enter. So these are the sub assets under assets in balance sheet. So for fixed assets, what is the number range? Go here. Keep cursor. Assign a GL accounts. What is the from account? Copy whatever you have given in OBD4. And we need debit balance or credit balance. Whatever is there, you just need to bring it here. Similarly, cash and bank. Assign accounts. Enter. Accounts receivable. Assign accounts. Debit and credit. Enter. Stock. Assign accounts. Other assets. So assets side, we have assigned all GL accounts now. Assets is over. Liabilities. assign accounts. Sorry, before assigning, create items, because there are side headings, right? Sub groupings. Share capital is one, reserves and surplus, long term loan, short term loan. Keep it only accounts payable. Okay, that's all in liability side. Go to share capital, assign accounts. Share capital is over. Reserves and surplus. Long term loans. Short term loans. Accounts payable. Other liabilities. So liabilities is completed. You have assigned the GL account. So what else is required? Go to P&L, click on create items. In P&L we have operational revenue, non-operational revenue. So we'll do like this. Income, expenditure. Under income, keep cursor under income, create items. So you have operational, non-operational. Enter. Under expenditure, create items. You have production, you have HR, and then sales, admin expenses, purchase expenses, anything else? Depreciation expenses, and then other expenses. So go to operational now, assign GL accounts. 3 lakh to 3 lakh 99, debit and credit. Non-operational, debit and credit. Enter. Production expenses, 4 series, debit and credit. HR expenses, sales expenses, Admin expenses. Purchase expenses. Depreciation expenses. Other expenses. So the same number range you should not give in two different places. System also will not accept that. Okay. Save it. So this is what financial statement structure that we normally create. Okay. So you will get this structure also from your client. Okay. You have to go as per that. You have to go as per that structure. Okay. So since I do not have that structure, so I depend on the OBD4 structure. If your customer is giving something else, they will also give the, for example, they will say share capital. They will also give the range of that share capital. So you can assign that range for the share capital. Similarly for others. Okay. Okay. So using this, we'll run balance sheet and P&L. Let's see how it looks like. Go back. Go to /O F.01. F.01. Chart of account 1710. Company code is 1710. Financial statement version just now we have created 1710. So values, if you wanted to take 2020 or 2019, fine. Let me take 2019 current year, 2018 previous year, because most of the values we have posted in 2019. Okay. Let us save this as a variant. I think we already have this variant. Let's see. Override that. So this is the variant. Execute it. So if you select first option, you will be able to see the values. So this is not in any format, right? So you don't see this is very comfortable output. Go back. You can change it to grid control. Execute it. So at least you can see in a proper format now. Okay. So where is your profit or loss? Are you able to see here? This is start of equity and liability. Okay. So in whichever GL account values are there, those only will come here. Start of assets, end of assets. Start of liability, end of liability. Okay. So if you wanted to make it more clear, then you need to work on this one only. Go here. So double click on profit and loss account statement. Start of profit and loss account statement. End of profit and loss account statement. So this one change. Inside this, income. Similarly for income. Start of income. End of income. Similarly for expenditure. Start of income. Income. Save it. Go back and see. See this. Start of P&L account, end of P&L account. So after this, it is end of P&L. Okay. So here there is no description 3 and 4. So go back 3 and 4. Let us say this one. Say start of P&L result. End of P&L. Start of formula, it's not required start of. So what you can do, let it be. Let it be, we'll see. Start of loss, end of loss. Start of profit, end of profit. Save it. Again go and run. See this? You are getting start of P&L result, end of P&L result. So overall profit, how much you got? So you can see loss. Loss is 5 lakh 56,000. Sorry, 56 lakhs 90,000. This is the loss. Okay. Go back. How it is loss? You can check your P&L revenue items. P&L revenue minus P&L expenditure. Go back to income. Under income, you have operational. Sort of operational income. End of operational income. Similarly, start of non-operational income. End of non-operational income. Save it. Go back again. Okay, so you are able to fill the description field for all the line items, right? Similarly, you have to do it for other items. Okay. Go to operational. Within okay, nothing is there. Non-operational, nothing is there. Under expenditure, production expenses. Part of production expenses. End of production expenses. Similarly, part of HR expenses. End of HR expenses. Similarly, sales. Start of sales expenses. Similarly for others. Save it. Go back and run again. So now you can see all the columns. Okay. Start of income, start of operational income, discount received, end of operational income, end of income. Okay. This is start of income, end of income. So what you can say to differentiate this, you can keep it in capital letters if you want. So let it be for now, but if you're trying to do it, just keep capital letters so that you can differentiate. So we can see end of P&L result 56,90,000, right? End of loss is 56,9,000. Okay, so this is the last, right? If you wanted to still have doubt, let us go. What is your total revenue? End of income. Okay. Why it is start of income? So I selected display total. Let's go back, execute it. End of profit and loss account statement. Okay. So you can do adjustment in that structure so that you can see how it is displaying here. Okay. So start of profit and loss account statement, end of profit and loss account statement. Okay. End income. So under administrative expenses, we are getting end of income, which is wrong, right? Go to end of income. See, I kept it as end of income, start of income. Start of expenditure, end of expenditure. Go back, execute it. So this is start, where is end? For both I have given start of expenditure, start of. Double click on it. This is end. Okay. Enter, save it. Go back, execute again. You can see start of expenditure from this place, end of expenditure. Similarly, income, start of income, end of income. So if you select this, you will get the total, grand total. Save it. Grand total at that level. Execute again. See this start of income, end of income. So overall 90,000 is there. Overall 90,000 income you have. Okay. What is the expenditure? End of expenditure 57,16, 57,80. So 57,80 minus 90. So which is nothing but your expenditure is more than income, right? So that is the reason you can see loss. Okay. So rest all will be cosmetic changes. Okay, based on need we can do that. But otherwise, your profit center, sorry, your P&L as well as balance sheet will be looking like this. Okay. So in other words, you will be see this text for balance sheet and P&L item. So that means this is current period, this is comparison period, this is the difference. Okay, you will get current period as well as previous period balances. Okay. If I give 2020 year, 2020, 2019, you will get the current year versus previous year. Okay, we have previous year also balances. In current year also we have balances. Okay. So whatever headings we are giving, right? For headings you can go with capital letters so that you can see the difference. Okay. Start of non-operational income. You can put start of operational. All these headings you can put operational income so that you can see the difference, nothing more. Okay. When you look at the report, it will be looking better way. That is what it means. See this. This is top level P&L account. Under that you have subheading start of income. From this place it is starting. And under that you have there is no operational income we have posted. So that head did not come here. This is start of non-operational, end of non-operational. So this is nothing but your end of income. This is your end of income. So this is also end of income 23. If you wanted to end of income, put here end of income. Save it, go back, F8. Okay. So if you fill all those sections, you will be able to get the all fields of text. Okay. So similarly, you can, if you want, you can fill out other sections. Otherwise, leave it. So this is second option. Layout is second layout. If you can see layout, second layout. Let us go to third layout, which will be tree structure. You can see it here. This is P&L. Under P&L, you have income and expenditure. This is P&L result. Calculated profit. So you have loss. If you go to loss section, you can see calculated. This is loss, not profit. Under loss section, current year, there is no loss. Previous year, you have 56 lakhs 90,000 loss. Okay. So current year, you have a profit. See this? Current year, you have a profit. So this last section, it will tell you if you have loss. Profit section, it will tell you if you have a profit. Okay. For example, if I give 2019 and 2018, because 2018 we did not post anything, execute now. See, under last only you have 56,90,000. There is no profit column because there is no profit at all. If there is a profit, then that will come. Like in previous screen I have shown you, right? Previous step. So share capital. So this looks little better, right? To understand. Okay. So it depends. Maybe customer will be looking at this or second option depends upon the need. Otherwise, this will be your balance sheet and P&L, how you design for the customer. Okay. From this place only they will generate the values and they will print it on their own format and they will submit with the government. Clear? So this is what I wanted to discuss today, and with this we will be closing our sessions. Okay, so I'm closing these sessions officially, and if you have any questions, Anytime you can call me, reach me over phone or whatever mode you want. And we need, I mean, for Durga, I think you need a laptop to practice more.
Yes.
Without practicing, definitely we will forget. Even if I don't practice, I will also forget. Okay, there is no doubt on this.
This transactions code, is there any list of total file so that we can main things we can by heart it?
Major things. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll check Durga because I did not prepare any list of transaction code like that. But configuration, maybe you can that PDF will do.
Yes.
I'll check for list of transaction code somewhere it will be there.
Yeah. Yeah. So major things that we can by heart so that you can directly
Hmm.
search it and we can go. And this 1710 we also can use it, right? Even log
1710 you can also use it.
modification and all things that we
Yes,
can do.
yes. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Whatever you wanted to try in that, you can
Yeah.
try. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. See you. All the best.
Thank.
Meet all the best. Durga, Durga already
Yeah.
not on it.
So మన
రియల్ టైమ్
ఒక
ఎలా వస్తాయి బ్రో? లైక్ ఏమైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉంటాయా? లైక్ రియల్ టైమ్ ఎలా
ఏ ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నా కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఎన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే